Hello, here is Rando York. Today I've received a large parcel. Let's see what's inside. This is mainly 00 gauge stuff. Looks like an entire scenery has been taken apart. There's a lot of fencing, platforms, street lights, and a complete traffic light system. And the content of this bag seems to be an entire railway station. Okay, let's quickly assemble it and then move on. Next, let's see whether the street lamps work. Looks like 1, 2, and 3 are working. The 4th has no cable, so it's not working. Now let's assess the traffic light. Seems that someone has just ripped them out, and therefore the cables are not ready to be used, but let's see, they're working. Well, that's great. So overall, a pretty good purchase with a lot of platform stuff and 3 out of 4 working street lights, and in addition a fully functional traffic light system of great quality. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and thanks for watching.